Hello everyone, welcome to our demo and tutorial for our GameMaker application. Before we start using the GameMaker, we must first download the JNLP file, and once we run it, we are welcomed by the Start view. Here we can create a new game or load or edit an existing game. Let's first start by creating a new game. I'm going to call our new game My Pac-Man, select a background for it and hit Create. And this is the main GameMaker view. So the first step we need to take in order to make our Pac-Man game is to create the Pac-Man sprite. We simply drag the Pac-Man image to our canvas, right click on it to edit its properties, we give it an appropriate name for future reference, and click Save. The next thing we want to do is we want to be able to move the Pac-Man using the up, down, left, and right keys. So I'm going to speed through this part where I'm basically adding all the properties so that we're able to move the Pac-Man using the keys, and I saved it. Next step is to create the enemy sprite. I simply drag it onto the canvas as well, give it a new name, and now I'm going to add the behavior to the enemy sprite such that when it collides with our Pac-Man, it disappears or gets eaten up. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back to our Pac-Man and tell it so that when it collides with our enemy sprite, the score must increase by 1. Once I've done that, I'm going to save the game one final time, and now we can test it to see if it's actually working like the way we expect it to. When I click on test, the play view opens up. I can click start. As you can see, Pac-Man's moving as I press the right arrow key. It eats up the enemy sprite and the score also increases by 1. And now I'm going to quit the application and restart it. I want to open up the play view directly. I'm going to select My Pac-Man, which is the game we just created, and click play. Without going through the GameMaker view, you can directly play a game. As you can see, it's the very same game we just created. Thank you.